In this video, I'm going to show you how to measure for that last piece of flooring if you have a very uneven wall. Say your wall is real wavy, your wall is out of square, whatever the case may be, I'm going to make it real easy for you. This will work on laminate flooring, tile, hardwood. It doesn't really matter what kind of flooring it is, the principle will work no matter what. This is Rudy from the Home Improvement channel with another video showing you how to fix things around the house. If you're a subscribed member to my community, then welcome back. If you're new to this channel, consider clicking that subscribe button below, and please like this video if it was helpful for you. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive right in. So what I would like to do is I'll take my full piece that I'm going to use and set it directly on top of the previous piece here. You know, I'll kind of take my fingers and line it up right here. You know, that way the ends match. All right. So I'm going to go all the way down it and make sure it's lined up perfectly on top of the previous piece. And then what I've done is I've cut a small piece of flooring. All right, so I can hold this directly up to the wall, and this little tongue that sticks over will actually work to my advantage because it'll help me leave the space that I need to leave for the, expansion and all that. So all you do is just kind of press that on the wall and line that up, and then just drag your piece down just like so. Just do that all the way down, and I'm using my own weight on top of the piece so it doesn't move on me. Now this piece I've got to notch out for these posts right here. So just hold that on there where I want it, and then, right. And then just do the same thing. I'll set it on top of the post because I already know that's got to get cut out, and do the other side. And then just keep going. Just like so. And then I'll take a square and I'll bring these lines out to, where the end of the post is at, and I'll cut this on the table saw, and it should do just fine. So it's best to do this without the fence because, like I said, the wall's crooked and I'm going to be, cutting onto my line instead of whatever is actually straight. Now remember, if this was a straight wall, you wouldn't have to do all this. All you'd have to do is measure and cut yourself a straight piece. But since our wall is so uneven, this is going to work really good. See that? It fits nice all the way down. Over here too, All right, so we're going